Okay friends, in this video we will talk about how to create menu because some of you have too much confusion how to create menu and how to use menu. So I will discuss how to use menu here. In the last video we already discussed about this binary file handling and I shown you how to use menu. So just a simple way, I'm just using menu. And definitely it's very easy to handle and use menu. So I'm just created a menu function and I just made a list of menu using /t and the point. So I'm using three quotes, single quotes. That is, you can say that is the string because these are the way to create this string. And /t is for maintaining the tab. /t means the tab. So tab is being followed at the left side of the string. And this is again the menu 1, menu 2, 2 is again followed by T, 3 is followed by T, and so on. So all these by T. And after that I'm creating, this is the menu, simple a variable, what the menu is to be displayed. And the third one is point is, I'm just creating a plus sign and multiplied with 80 means 80 times we are using plus. So just making a line plus. So this will line before menu, and here I'm printing the menu. A menu is the variable which is holding the menu, and this is opening and this is closing. So here the whole thing is comes under the menu. So this will be printed here, and after that again 80 times plus sign will be printed. So on the top of menu the plus sign line will be carrying out, and after that the line again line will be drawn. Then I'm reading the data input from the user. There are 6, so I just written here 4, so put 5 and 6 also. So here there are choice 1 to 6 is given to the user, or we just again write like 1 to 6. It looks better. 1 to 6. So the user will enter their choice from 1 to 6 to choose these all the actions here from this, and that is being stored into ch, and ch is being returned. Okay, this is the just menu function. Now come to the main code, how to call menu and handle the data. So I'm just making a while loop. While true means it is always true, it is infinite loop. While true, you can write while 1 also, there is no difference because true and 1 both are the same. So I'm very convenient to use true, so that's I'm writing true, but you can use 1 also, no problem. So while true, it means it will always true. So while true, it is always run, means infinite loop. Until unless you are not exiting, it will run continuously up to infinite time. And then I'm just calling a menu function here. This menu function is being called and it will return the user's choice. That user's ch will be stored into choice. Now I'm using the choice what you have entered, comparing with the values. So if choice equals to 1, it means user has choose this one option, and then it is being run as a write binary. So it will read data from the user, store into txt variable, and pass this txt to binary file, and then this function binary file is running and storing data, as you know. Okay, so this is the if choice equals to 1. And what if choice equal to 1 is not given? So I'm just checking again another choice, if choice equal to 2. I'm not using only if. Don't use only if, because if you are using if, it will check all the conditions. But in case of menu, you see user will enter only one option out of the choices. So it is not required you have to check 1, 2, 3 and so on like that. So either 1, either 2 or 3 or 4 like that. So user will enter only 1. So not need to use if, use elif, because in case of if elif, only one option will be checked, anyone. So whose criteria will match, it will not check again. Suppose choice is 1, is suppose user entered here 3, here 3, then it will check if this is false. Yes, this is again false. This is true because user had chosen true, so choice equal to 3, that is correct. So user chooses 3, so choice equal to 3. Now it's correct. So this will run, and after that it will, these following will never run in this case, in this loop. So again it will move to the while loop and start from here again. It will print and read your choice. So this is a simple way to use the menu. So this is the better technique and easiest technique. Create a menu function, take the user's choice and return it. Use while loop for infinite loop, because you have to run menu until unless user not choosing exit. This will run continuously. So here I'm just calling the menu, storing the choice into choice, and checking all the options what the user has entered. And at the 6 I'm rating exit 0. Exit 0 means successful exit. Exit 1 means errorful exit. So I'm using exit 0 because it is by choice. So exit 0. And then if no option is matching 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Suppose I am entering 7. So what will happen? It will come to else and say wrong choice and print one space and move to again to here and run again menu. The next menu will be printed again. So this is the whole process of using menu. That's why the menu will continuously repeating and your choice is being taken from the user. So this is the correct way to use menu. So try to use this technique in your program to handle your functions with the help of menu. Okay, so I think it will be easy to you. Okay, thank you. Goodbye.